Traveling is widely acknowledged as one of the most rewarding pursuits a person can engage in. For many, it serves as far more than a temporary escape from daily routines. It represents a profound opportunity to broaden one's horizons, challenge deeply ingrained perspectives, and truly immerse oneself in unfamiliar cultures. However, the success of any venture depends heavily on thorough, proactive preparation. Seasoned travelers understand that a stress-free journey begins long before departure. Crafting a comprehensive checklist is essential to prevent leaving critical items behind. Then, you must determine the most efficient mode of transport. Depending on the distance to your destination, you might opt for a long-distance coach, arrange a private transfer, take a flight, or commute by rail. Upon arrival to your destination, the immediate priority shifts to locating your accommodation. Once you have successfully checked into your accommodation, you can take some time to unpack, freshen up, and recover from the inevitable exhaustion of transit. As soon as you feel sufficiently rejuvenated, you can step outside to soak up the city as an independent traveller. There is an undeniable thrill in wandering through historic neighbourhoods and seeking out iconic landmarks and historic museums. Taking photos is always a great idea to capture those fleeting moments. By late afternoon, hours of exploration will likely leave you feeling physically depleted and hungry. This is the ideal moment to seek out a charming local cafe or an authentic eatery situated well away from the commercialized tourist traps. Trying local delicacies not only satisfies your appetite, but also provides valuable insight into the history and heritage of the area. Additionally, interacting with the hospitality staff is a great opportunity for English conversation. Before returning to your accommodation for the evening, browsing local artisan shops for unique souvenirs is a worthwhile tradition. You might choose a scenic postcard, a handcrafted accessory, or regional foods. Ultimately, every journey we embark on is a magnificent opportunity to step outside our comfort zones, adapt to foreign environments, and return home with a significantly enriched worldview. Questions. Where did you go on your last holiday? Did you travel there by plane? Tell me about some of the things you saw. Did you visit any museums? Did you stay at a nice hotel? Practice your English writing by telling me in the comments section.